Today I'll walk you through how to add a DKIM record in Cloudflare, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to configure your DKIM settings so you can enhance your email deliverability and security. First, let's start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. This is your control center for managing your domain settings. If you have multiple accounts, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Just navigate to the right account where your desired domain is located. Once you're logged in, select the domain you want to configure. This is similar to choosing the right book from a library. You want to make sure you have the correct one before diving into the details. Now, in the left sidebar menu, click on DNS and then Records. This section is where all your domain's DNS settings live. Think of it as the address book for your domain, helping the internet know where to send your traffic. Next, click the Add Record button. This is like adding a new contact in your phone. You're about to provide important information that will help your emails get delivered properly. Now, fill out the fields as follows. For type, select TXT. This is the format that DKIM uses. In the name field, enter your selector, which is typically something like google.spore domain key. Cloudflare will automatically append your domain name, so you don't need to worry about that. Miro note this one had poor TTL. You can leave it as auto or set it according to your provider's instructions. Finally, in the content field, paste the full DKIM public key value provided by your email service. This key is crucial for verifying the authenticity of your emails. It's like a signature that proves your emails are really from you. Once you've filled everything out, click Save. This action finalizes your DKIM record, ensuring that your emails are more secure and less likely to end up in spam folders. And there you have it. You've successfully added a DKIM record in Cloudflare. This simple step can significantly improve your email deliverability. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.